Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to troubleshoot Kasa smart switch not connecting, offline reset or Wi-Fi fix. So guys, for check the LED status solid red, the switch is not connected to the Wi-Fi, and blinking amber and green, the switch is ready for the setup. Blinking amber, the switch is resetting and installing a firmware update. Solid green, the switch is connected and working normally. The light may turn off after the approximately 30 seconds. Then guys, step 2 is restart the Kasa switch. Locate the small reset button under the main switch toggle. Press the restart button once. The LED will turn amber and then blink green while the switch recorded, and wait for the switch to reconnect it to the Wi-Fi. After that, step 3 is power cycle the switch. So turn off the circuit breaker that supply the power to the switch. Wait for at least 30 seconds and turn the circuit breaker on, and allow the switch 1 or 2 minutes to restart or reconnect it. Check the electricity wiring. If the switch has no power, confirm that the circuit breaker is turned on. Check whether the switch is receiving the electrical power and make sure the switch is correctly connected to the required wire. Contact a licensed electrician if you are unsure about the wiring. Step 5 is Wi-Fi or offline problem. Make sure your Wi-Fi router is turned on and working, and connecting your phone to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network during setup. Restart your router and wait for it to reconnect. Turn off any VPN, private DNS or the network filtering service on your phone. Open the Kasa Smart app and check whether the switch come back online. Also, reset only the Wi-Fi connections. Locate the small reset button under the switch toggle. Reset and hold the reset button for approximately 5 seconds. Then open the Kasa Smart app and add a new device and select your Kasa switch model, and follow the on-screen instruction to connect it to the new Wi-Fi network. After that, step 7, factory reset the Kasa switch. Press and hold the physical reset button for the approximately 10 seconds. Release the button when the LED being blinking rapidly, and wait for the switch to restart and enter the setup mode. Then open your Kasa Smart app and devices and complete the setup again. After that, enable the app permissions. If the Kasa app cannot find the switch on an iPhone or iPad, so open your iPhone setting app, scroll down and select the Kasa and turn on the location network permission. Also enable the Bluetooth and the location permission if requested. Then return to the Kasa Smart app and repeat the setup process. Then guys, remove an old account associations. If the app shares the switch is already linked or bound to the another account, so sign in to the Kasa account previously used with the switch. Then select the switch in the Kasa Smart app, open its device setting, remove or delete the switch from the old account, and sign in the new account and add the switch again. So this is the way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day.